Module 4 starts to introduce to you the somatic concepts of reciprocal inhibition, pandiculation, and sensory motor amnesia. This is the world and the realm of somatic neuromuscular re-education, which is so fundamental to what Nicole and I teach. This work is so powerful because what it does is it teaches you how to address pain and trauma and stress that is stuck in the cells of your body. It is about repatterning the patterns that we're stuck in. So the collapsed rounded posture, the chronic low back pain, the lean and twist to one side. So in this module, you learn and you start to build a foundation of understanding so that in module 5, you can dive into the somatic practices. This work that we teach in module 4 is an amazing summary of Thomas Hanna's work. Really, it's easy to understand and it is something that you can apply personally. But if you're a therapist or you're a yoga teacher, then you can learn how to apply this within your classes and how you work with clients, because fundamentally and truly somatics changes and repatterns. That's what's showing up and leaves lasting results. Please subscribe to our channel, hit the like button if you like this video. Reach out to us if you have any questions. We'd love to work with you. We'd love to have you in our My Embodied Blueprint course or one of our trainings, or join our video on demand channel. We're here. We have many avenues to learn and teach this amazing somatic work.